Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use your mobile phone camera as a webcam or a second camera during a live stream. So first, what could be the use case for this kind of improvisation? For example, if you're doing live stream and you are using OBS Studio, maybe to stream to your church screen or something like that, or you're just using your computer and you need a very good webcam, now you can use your mobile phone camera. For example, I'm using the S22 Ultra to do this, so I'll show you how I can use this S22 Ultra camera as a webcam. All right, so this is what I'll be doing in today's video, so follow me. It's very simple. I'll be using just two softwares to do this, two softwares to achieve this. And the first software I'll be using to achieve this is a software called OBS Studio. So let me quickly show you how to get OBS Studio. First, you just search OBS Studio on any browser and it will come up like this, and you can download. For me, I'm using Windows. If you're using Mac, you click Mac, or if you're using the Linux operating system, you click the Linux operating system. Whichever operating system you are using, that's what you should click on. So I've gone ahead to install the one for Windows, and I have a complete tutorial for OBS Studio. If you are trying to learn how to use OBS Studio, I have a complete tutorial for this. Now, the next software you need is the software called Camo Studio. Okay, so if you're using Windows, once again, you download for Windows. If you're using Mac, you download for Mac. You need the Camo Studio. You need these two softwares on your PC. I'm using a computer to showcase this. Okay, now on your phone, you also need to install the Camo software. Okay, so let me show you the Camo software on my phone. And again, of course, my mobile phone, I'll show you on my screen right here. So this is my mobile phone. Right, this is my mobile phone screen. All I need to do is go into Play Store and search for Camo. This is the software Camo. Okay, and all you need to do is just open up Camo, and then you have to connect your Camo software on your phone with the Camo Studio that you just installed. So I'll open up the Camo Studio on my computer as well, and you see no device is connected. So again, you can connect the Camo Studio via wirelessly or with a wired connection. So I'm just going to plug in this wire on my computer, and you see it will detect the Camo. Okay, so you can see now, as you can see, the my system, this is my phone camera. Can you see that? This is my phone camera. Start now, and you see my phone camera pictures everything that I'm doing now. Okay, I'm just going to close this up because my phone is connected. Cancel. This is Samsung connection. Okay, so this is my phone camera, and you see my phone camera is now connected to my system. So whatever I'm doing on my phone, I'll see on the Camo. Do you understand? So this is how this works. And of course, audio, everything, the microphone, I can decide to change the microphone if I have another microphone, and for now I'm just going to keep using the microphone I was using. And you can change the resolution. Okay, so you see different resolution. I can put it at 4K, any resolution I want. I'll just put it at 180 like this, and then you can see how it works now. Can you see? So this is my phone camera on the Camo. Now what you need to do next is to open up your OBS. Okay, so I'm going to open up OBS. You can see I've successfully connected my phone. Now on OBS Studio, if you are live streaming, to successfully use this phone camera, okay, what you need to do is click on, so OBS Studio is opened, and all I need to do is click on the plus. Okay, and then I'll do a video capture. So I want to capture video, and I'll say okay. Can you see? Now instead of using device integrated webcam, all right, what I just need to do is change device to Camo. Okay, and you can see now I'm using the Camo as my device on OBS, and you see what's happening. So whatever my phone camera is picking, that is what Camo would see. Do you get? So let me show you what I'm saying. For instance, I can turn, so active, I can go back here. So again, if I open Camo, active, I've successfully connected Camo, and then I can either use the back camera or I can use the front camera. So let me open up this Camo Studio, and then you see, for focus, I can change this to alright guys, so this is how you do it. I'm just trying to find where to change this to a front camera. Let me see. If I left click here, see something, mode, see, you can blur, you can do different mode, but what I'm trying to get is changing it. I think I've changed this before. I think I have changed this before. It's just failing me right now. I don't know why. Okay guys, please, probably any of you who can find changing it to the front camera, can please drop a comment to say, oh, you just have to click here to change it to the front camera. But again, this is what I'm telling you. And of course, if I want to turn, I can just easily turn this camera. So this is what I'm saying. So I can turn this camera like this, and now my camera is now why is my camera kind of blurred? Wow. Okay, it's clear now. It's clear. Okay, so now, as you can see, I can either use maybe my stand, something like this, and then on OBS Studio, if I go live, let me show you what I mean. So you see, so if I go live on OBS Studio now, my phone camera has become my webcam, not my system camera. You need to understand this. And of course, if you play with these settings, you can tweak it the way you want. All right, so but what I'm saying essentially is that right now you can see that my phone camera, which is what I'm currently holding, is now my webcam on OBS Studio, or any other software I decide to use. I can just select Camo instead of the normal software camera I would use. So, and I can just close this one. All right, so that's how you use your phone camera as your webcam or a second camera. If you have any questions, you need any clarification, please feel free to drop comments, and I would, if it requires me, I'll make another video to explain better. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.